Alright, change attention. Safety squints.
Engage.
Bring it.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, that's your oil. Well, normally that's your oil pressure switch. You got to hold it in until it builds oil pressure,
okay.
and then that'll close the contact.
All right, I will probably pump fuel now.
All right, give me another little roll. Let's make sure these other two work.
No. All right, we ready? I don't like that. It is possible that, I don't know how this was plumbed up, but that could supposed to go to a pressure tank, not just, that's probably the problem.
No,
Yeah, I mean, there's definitely P's per square eye on that.
that's off the side of the water pump.
Yeah, we need
That-
to just plug that.
That should be plugged. This needs to go to the cap over on your expansion tank.
Because this probably went to like a pressurized tank
Yeah.
on the boat.
Well, we just did a proof test of the overflow bottle.
Yeah.
Failed. Step number 5 is proving to be the most challenging.
Yeah. All these other ones pretty easy. On number 5.
Whoa! Turn it back down. It's really sensitive. You're at 237. When should this kick on? Does it have a thermostat?
Yeah, it has like a tip switch.
How much did you turn it? Not even an eighth of a third? I mean, just barely. Just got to get it back to 240. That way when we put a bigger load, We're only pulling 5 amps.
AC will be turned on here in a second.
Dad, he's hot.
It just come on?
I turned the fan on. It must have just turned on. You hear it? Yeah,
Yep.
it just kicked on.
Pulling 16.5 amps.
Oh, that's good. And then
But I heard it spool
yeah.
and instantly recover.